So I'm really excited to take your look from day to night. People get intimidated by the Statement palette. What's great about this palette is that you're able to then take it into night. I'm gonna keep your foundation on, and also to refresh the skin, I'm actually going to take the concealer off underneath your eye. The eyeshadow we chose to put on during the day is cider, and it complements Nightfall really well. So I'm gonna take the crease brush going into Nightfall, starting on the outside edge, and then I'm just rocking and blending the color in. So I'm going to gently apply the black eyeliner pencil right above the lash line. And then I'm going to go underneath it as well. Once you start with the smoky eye, go back over, blend them together. And I want to go back over with the edge of the flat brush, take the Nightfall over the black pencil, and I'm going to bring it down just a bit. Before we put the concealers, just want to sweep across to sort of clean this up. So then I take the touch-up concealer, draw vertical stripes down, and then I just press into the skin. Apply the Volumizing Mascara for this smoky night look. Just sort of rocking it back and forth. So now I want to put a lip on. Red complements this look, so it really does like take it into evening. Take the pencil, and I want to go into the waterline. So the last step, go into the inside corners of the eye, just to brighten. And your blush I'm leaving the same.
Wow, you make everything look so easy.